Hey everyone, today I'm going to show you how to cancel pending purchases on Steam. Without any further ado, let's get started. First, open your Steam app and log in with your credentials. Once you're logged in, direct your attention to the upper right corner of the screen where you'll see your username displayed. Go ahead and click on your username to reveal a drop-down menu with several account-related options. From this drop-down menu, select Account Details. This will take you to your main account information page where you can manage various aspects of your Steam account, including payment methods, security settings, and purchase records. Now, on the right panel of your account details page, you'll see several options listed. Look for and click on View Purchase History. This section displays all your Steam transactions, including completed purchases, refunds, and any pending transactions that are still processing. Although I don't have any purchase history right now to show you, the process remains the same when you do have transactions listed. Once you're in your purchase history, scan through the list of transactions carefully. You're specifically looking for any transaction that's labeled as pending. These are purchases that haven't been fully processed yet, which means you still have the opportunity to cancel them before they're finalized. When you find a pending transaction, click on it to open the detailed view. After clicking on the pending transaction, you should see more information about that specific purchase, including the items involved and the transaction status. If the cancellation option is available for this particular transaction, you'll see a button that says Cancel Transaction. This option is only available for certain types of pending purchases, so if you don't see it, the transaction may have already progressed too far in the processing stage. However, if the button is there, go ahead and click Cancel Transaction to proceed. Finally, Steam will ask you to confirm that you want to cancel this purchase. This confirmation step ensures you don't accidentally cancel a transaction you actually want to keep. Review the details one more time to make sure this is indeed the purchase you want to cancel, then confirm the cancellation. The transaction will be removed from your pending purchases and no charges will be processed. And that's it. You've successfully cancelled your pending Steam purchase, preventing any unwanted charges from going through. If this video helped you out, be sure to leave a like, subscribe, and I'll see you in the next one.